Good morning, children. Welcome back to School at Home program. Take out your page number 143. What do you know, children, till presently? The Bayaji want to invite all the official people who are staying in the village. They all came, they were attended the meeting. Okay. The rice rolled all over the place. Rolled nothing but in all the directions. Rolled. They were watching all the directions. Okay, children. Where in the house. Bayaji led them up the stairs in the kitchen. How they were moving? They were moving from the kitchen. The first floor looked like a drawing room. How the first room was looking? It was looking like a drawing room. The walls were radiant with blue oil paint. The walls were bright. Bright in the sense radiant. With blue oil paint, the fresh color gave out a pleasant smell. It was very fresh. Everyone knows that. It is new house. So, they were assuming the pleasant smell. Framed pictures of great men like Lord Buddha, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar, Karmavir Baburao Patil, Mahatma Jyotiba Phule and others hang on the walls. What are the pictures were hanging in the house? I'll write in the board like Lord Buddha. Lord Buddha, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar, Karmavir Baburao Patil, Mahatma Jyotiba Phule. These are the names of the pictures, photos were hanged in the house. Whose house? Bujaba house. The loft-like first floor was filled with a pause. See, the upper storied house, it was filled with divine and holy ambience. It was filled with divine and holy ambience. Ambience nothing but atmosphere, children. Okay. Bayaji spread a rough woolen carpet for Patil. Where the Patil was sat, the Patil was sat on the rough woolen carpet. Other high caste people, and along with the Patil, they were sat on the rough woolen carpet. Patil sat quietly on that. His companions, rather uncomfortable, took their positions around him. Bayaji offered them a customary bitter leaves. See what the Bayaji offered them. Bayaji offered them customary bitter leaves. See all the people like Patil and others, similar people, they were feeling uncomfortable in the house. Patil accepted the leaves but immediately gave it back to Bayaji with the remark, yes, it's all very nice. The Patil internally was not happy. He don't want to see the Bayaji's storied house. He took the leaves. Immediately he gave back and he said what he said, it's all very nice. Whether really he was feeling nice? No, he was not at all feeling nice. But why don't you accept the bitter leaves? Bayaji asked nervously. Bujaba smiled artificially and said, it's enough that you are offering his honor. It is also necessary to eat it. What happened? The Bayaji insisted the Patil to take the leaves. But he said, Bayaji, why don't you accept the bitter leaves? Bayaji asked nervously. He was feeling very bad because he refused to take the bitter leaves. Bujaba smiled artificially. Bujaba don't want to smile, but artificially he smiled and said, "It's enough that you are offering. He is honored." He was feeling honored to get the leaves. And it is also necessary to eat it. We will make a move now. They don't want to eat that, but even they were saying that it's nice. With this, Kondiba Patil, Bujaba and his companions rose to leave. As they came down, Bujaba felt as if he were tumbling down the stairs. What was he was feeling? Bujaba and his companions rose to leave. Rise and rose. They want to leave. Who want to leave, children? Bujaba and companions. Companions means friends, our neighbors, our relatives, or the partners. Bujaba felt as if he were tumbling down. He was tumbling, falling down to the stairs. They eyed one another as if to say, "There is untouchable warm." Who is warm here, children? Untouchable warm is Balaji. Untouchable worm is Bayaji. And as got a swollen head who feels more important, he needs for proper handling. They all people, the Bujaba, Patil, all others were feeling that Bayaji got the horns to his head. Now they want to treat him properly. Bayaji fed all his guests with meal of shira and puri. See, Bayaji, even though he is untouchable, he fed the guest. How he fed the guest? By giving the shira and puri in the meal. Along with the bitter nuts, items of gossip, informal talk rolled over their tongues, and then the session of social devotional songs began. Unimportant talk were discussed in the party, and later on they were started by devotional songs. Among the bhajan singers, these are the singers named, children. Write down Kalekar Babu Master. He had a superior voice, nothing but good voice. Khadegomkar Bua was better at classical singing. Devotional songs were sung in the praise of Baba Saheb Ambedkar and Lord Buddha. Whose names were there in the song? They want to praise Baba Saheb and meanwhile Lord Buddha. People swayed their heads in appreciation as the program gathered momentum. Everyone were involved in the devotional songs. It was 2 o'clock in the morning. Still the songs were going on. Baji was strutting about in the pandal. He sat down by a guest now and then to inquire after his welfare. See, he was asking all his guests what is their needs. Small children unable to resist sleep, unable to control the sleep. It was, of course, in the morning time, like middle of the night, midnight, 2 o'clock. Even though the songs were going on, they were all totally involved in the songs, but the children were unable to control their sleep, and they dropped off like bundles of rags. Woman sat in front veranda. Where she sat, in the front veranda she sat. Bailey's children were busy preparing tea for a second time. Whose children were busy, Nana? Bailey's children were very busy. They were preparing the tea. They had put tea powder and sugar in the pot on the French stove and waited for the water to boil. The Bailey children were preparing the tea, and the water was boiling, and they want to add the sugar, tea powder and the milk. The bhajan was in full swing. The bhajan was full swing, means that they were involved. I had a dream at night and my breast was full of feeling with the line. This is a poem song. It was a song there in that. Okay. The group advanced for baseless devotionals like from the east come and hoot of the ghost, each one with 7 heads. These are the social devotional songs, children. Now turn the page. Bayaji new house had caught fire from all the sides. See, all the people, the relatives, neighbors, they were involved in the devotional song. In between something was happened that is strange to Bayaji. What happened? The Bayaji's house was caught with the fire. It had suddenly flared up. It was suddenly explode. The women folk in front veranda screamed in confusion. The women who sat were singing in the front veranda. They were screamed, confused with the sudden fire. The guest stood up swiftly. Suddenly the guest stood up and they began to pull all the women like herd of cattle. They were moving like herd of cattle. This is a collective noun, children. In that way, they were coming out from the house. See, that means the Bayaji, he was constructing a storied house. No one can feel happy. He should not construct the house. That is the reason the strange thing was happened. They want, all the people want the Bayaji to cry, Bayaji to die. Okay, that is the reason this incident was happened. Okay, children, will continue in the next part tomorrow. Thank you.